Hey, this is Chris McKenna with Benchmark Realty. Today, we're going to be doing something a little bit different than what I've been doing in my other videos. I'm actually in the truck right now heading over to Hendersonville to an association called Autumn Creek. What I'm doing out there is I'm actually helping one of our fellow Benchmark colleagues do an open house there for one of her listings. So I'm going to give you the regular driving tour through that association like I normally do, but I'm also going to be giving you a tour of the open house that I'll be at as well. All right. So again, something a little bit different today. So let's go.
Okay, so here we are in Hendersonville and entering into the Autumn Creek neighborhood now. Obviously not the sunniest day to be doing this, but you'll still get a great idea about the association. Autumn Creek residents pay approximately $75 a month for HOA fees, and that includes things like pool, clubhouse, and grounds maintenance. If you take a look at the association's Facebook page, you'll see how close of a community it is here. They seem to always be holding events like movie nights, pool parties, or Easter egg hunts. To give you an idea about sales activity in Autumn Creek, there are currently 2 homes for sale as of filming, including the open house that I'll be helping out with, and 4 other homes sold in the past 6 months. The largest home to sell was, oddly enough, the least expensive one to sell. It was a 3-bed, 2.5 bath, 3,700 square foot home that sold for $630,000. Now, I don't know the details or circumstances behind that sale, but I would assume that it had some issues or needed some updating. The next largest home to sell was a 4-bed, 2 full, 2 half bath, 3,600 square foot home that went for $805,000. Now, for the 2 homes currently for sale, there's a 4-bed, 2.5 bath, 2,630 square foot home listed at $620,000, and the open house I'm helping with is a 4-bed, 3.5 bath, 2,939 square foot home listed at $650,000. I'll get a little more into that in a minute. I've said it before and I'll say it in all of my videos. Use these numbers as a general guideline based off of the time it was filmed, which is currently December 2022. For the most up-to-date market stats and listings that are available, please reach out to me directly and I'd be happy to get those for you. Now, why don't I take you on a quick tour of the home that I helped host an open house for? I'm not giving the address because it'll most likely be off the market by the time you're watching this, but if you're interested in it, want to check in on it, or want to find something similar, just let me know. Alright, so here we are outside in the driveway. You've got a 2-car garage and leads up to the front door. Beautiful entryway, and then over to the right you have your formal dining room. We're going to come out, here's your kitchen, and then right across is the half bath on the first floor. Next, we're going to go down the back hallway into your laundry room, which is also the entrance to the 2-car garage that we saw. Very well kept, nice open space, lots of room in here. And we'll head back into the kitchen. Again, updated kitchen, quartz countertops, nice open shelving. You have an electric range. And then you head into the living room. You've got your fireplace there. Nice open space. Lots of light. Head into the second of the bedrooms. The master we'll get to in a minute, but this one has a nice bathroom attached to it. And this would be the main bedroom on the first floor. The other one was on the first floor as well. And then you also have your ensuite bathroom here as well. Double sinks, tub, shower, and a walk-in closet. Now we're going to head upstairs. You've got a little bit of a sitting room right here at the top of the stairs leading into bedroom number 3. Bedroom number 3 also has a full bath attached to it, and that's the only bathroom upstairs. I'll head back through the sitting room into the media room. They've got a couch and the TV over here on this wall. And then going through the media room, you're going to get to bedroom number 4. Smallest of the 4 bedrooms. They've got it set up as an office and also a little bit of a workout area. And then we'll head back out. And that'll be it for the open house tour. Hopefully that gave you a good idea of what you may be able to get in Hendersonville for that price. Now, let's move on and I'll give you some more info about what the residents of Autumn Creek and Hendersonville in general can expect. The residents of Autumn Creek go to Sumner County schools. For elementary school, they attend Burris Elementary, which is located less than a mile and a half away or about a 3-minute drive. The middle school is Knox Doss Middle School and is located across the street from the elementary school. The older kids will attend Beach High School, and that's located less than 3 miles away or about a 7-minute drive. Beach was ranked by U.S. News as a number 5 high school in Sumner County and ranked in the top 25% of high schools in the state. If you're wondering what's near Autumn Creek, I've got some information for you on that as well. In addition to downtown Nashville being a 25-minute drive away and the airport approximately 30 minutes away, everything else that you can need is just about a mile and a half down the road on Indian Lake Boulevard, including the shopping area called the Streets of Indian Lake. In this part of Hendersonville, you'll find grocery stores, restaurants, coffee shops, a movie theater, Walmart, a Sam's Club, and so much more. How about the weather in Hendersonville? Let me give you some facts from weatherspark.com. The 3 hottest months are June, July, and August with average highs of 80, 83, and 81, and average lows of 61, 65, and 64. Yes, it gets humid here in the summer. The 3 coldest months are December, January, and February with average highs of 50, 47, and 51, and the average lows are 32, 29, and 32. Hendersonville averages almost 15 inches of snow per year, with the snowiest month being January and an average just over 5 inches. Hopefully you enjoyed the tour of Autumn Creek, the walkthrough of the open house, and the information on Hendersonville. If you liked it, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Hit that bell so you get notified whenever I put out new content. If you have any questions at all about Hendersonville, Nashville, or down in Williamson County, please reach out to me. I would love to be your resource and your real estate professional of choice in the greater Nashville area. To contact me, you can go to my website, www.chrismckennarealestate.com, email me at chris@chrismckennarealestate.com, or you can even find me on Instagram or TikTok at The Nashville Realtor. As always, thanks for watching my videos, and I hope to hear from you soon.